Hi everyone, welcome to Finance, and in this video we're going to cover Intro to Foreign Exchange or Forex Market. Now what is foreign exchange? It's actually the process of changing one currency into another country's currency. It is also known as FX or Forex. So let's say gusto mong bumili ng dollar and we have this FX rate. That would mean that you need to shell out 49.50 in order for you to get $1. Now sa FX rate natin, we have ganitong arrangement no merong currency sa left, merong currency sa right. Yung nasa left is what we call the commodity currency or the currency being bought. Yung nasa right side naman is actually what we call the terms currency or yung currency na ginagamit to buy the commodity currency. Now, what are the factors that trigger the peso to strengthen? We have rising interest rates, so monetary policy ng BSP. We have improved exports, so kung mas madaming export transactions, mas madaming dollar na pumapasok sa country, and then strong investors' confidence, OF remittance. So again, kung madaming pinapadala yung mga OFWs natin, they flood the circulation with dollar, gross international reserves, and of course, weak demand for dollar. Now, ano naman yung factors that trigger the peso to weaken? More imports. So yung kabaliktaran kanina, more imports would mean that our companies would demand more dollar to settle their obligations overseas. Negative economic news, international travel. So pag maraming mga tourists from here to going out abroad, so lumiliit yung supply ng dollar sa Philippines, and by doing that, nagkakaroon ng weakening ng peso. High US interest rates. So kung may movement sa interest rates ng US Fed, nagtitrigger siya ng volatility sa currency natin. And of course, strong demand for US dollar. So it's a matter of supply and demand pagdating sa Forex. Okay. So I hope that you learned something from our video today. Thank you very much for dropping by, and see you in my next video.